Hi guys, I'm Abhinav. I'm at MX store in Pune. This is my friend and the owner of the MX store,
Hi
Vikram.
guys.
Vikram, we had a very long, insightful chat about what you stock at the store, about the store. But now we want to know a little bit about your motorcycle. You ride this beautifully done up XPulse. I just want you to take us through all the modifications that you've done on the bike.
Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you Abhinav. So this particular bike, I bought it say about 7-8 months. I haven't done much riding on it, but yes, we did Kishtawar, Himachal, say about 1100-1200 kilometers. The rest of it is all trail riding, but we've kept tinkering with the bike, and we've kept adding on things which we feel should be the right mods for a guy who is more into off-roading. It's also kept in the shop because so customers come and they see what we have done with the bike. So if we start, obviously it's running the knobby tires. What we have done is we've gone with an XL aluminum rims on it.
Okay.
And the interesting thing is that it's running mousse, so it doesn't have tube. So that's keeping the pressure at something around 18, 19, 17 to 19 psi
Right.
always. So
Do you stock mousse?
yeah, we do. We do. Right
Okay,
now.
if somebody wants to buy mousse for the XPulse, how much will it set them back by?
So it's ranging between 20 to 22k, 20, 22k.
Okay.
Yeah.
And do you need a lot of mousse gel as well? Do you stock that?
Everything comes in the box. So you get the 2 tubes. So
Okay.
you use the gel and
Okay.
then you install. Installation is a little difficult. So you need to go to an experienced guy who's done it before, who will not spoil your rims.
Okay.
So it's a bit difficult. But to remove, obviously it has a lifetime.
Yeah.
If your mousse is say about 6 months to 1 year, but then you do a lot of riding, I would just take a grinder and cut the tire and just take it off.
Yeah. Yeah, because the tire is a lot cheaper than the mousse.
Yeah. So yeah, that's the front setup. This is a Rally Pro from Hero XPulse. We have on the top, we have changed the triple clamp. This is a JC Moto triple clamp. It's Joshua has done a great job. This is a very neat looking triple clamp. It's purpose built. It's super nice. If you see the construction of it,
Yeah.
is
Very, very high quality aluminium top plate.
billet. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it comes with the triple clamp and also the handle mount, and you have an option to go with a 7x8 mount or a fatbar mount. On
Right.
this setup, we have gone with a fatbar mount.
Okay.
You can let us know, like if there is a need, and we can provide a clamp which will be right for your handlebar side. So
Right.
this one is upgraded to a fatbar. It comes with 4 options in the sense to mount.
Yeah.
You can take it all the way back. So I have done that because I'm 6'2".
Right.
So I would like to be more forward
Right.
and low. It comes with spacers. So if somebody wants to rise it, it already comes with the box to have. I just have a very thin spacer here.
Okay.
I'm
We'd
not
like
a
to see
great-
your position on the motorcycle. If you could just sit on the bike. It's on the paddock, so if you hold the brake, it'll be okay, I think. Wait, let me just zoom out a little. Okay. And you find this a lot comfortable than the stock bike?
This is far, because now you see my position is straight, my chin is on the bar, so it's more, I feel more in control
Right.
of the bike. And what we have also done on this is we have used the JC Moto footpeg handles, relocators, so it's gone back
Yeah.
a bit, and so to stand and to sit is so easy.
Yeah. I've used them on my XPulse as well, and they just changed, completely transformed the motorcycle
Yes.
for me.
Yes. So yeah, other than that, I mean, we have done a custom
A custom tail.
tail tidy on it. This is done by a company in Pune, Autolog.
Okay.
Yeah, and there is a different way they mount it. They mount it up,
Uh-huh.
but we kind of did some minor modifications to bring it down.
Right. And do you sell this here as well?
Yeah, we do.
So everything that's on your motorcycle right now can be bought at this store?
Yes. So we do the exhaust. We have multiple different types of exhaust.
Right.
On this bike, it's running Whoops GTR Norifumi.
Okay.
So it comes with a DB killer. Earlier, the Norifumis were not coming with a DB killer. But
Right,
now,
so they'd be very, very, very loud.
Yeah, this is loud.
Okay, can we hear it?
Yeah. Where's the key?
While they get the key, let's talk about the other things on the motorcycle.
Yeah, and then I've just sort of shed some weight from it. I've removed all the parts which are not really required for trail riding.
Right.
So I've not cut any chassis. I've not cut any part. I've just removed the rear footpeg and kind of.
So only things have been bolted off the bike.
Yes.
Right.
Just
No
bolted
structural
off.
modifications
No
per se.
structural modification on it. No engine modification on it.
Okay.
I just want to keep it reliable.
Right.
So
But are you running the stock air filter?
right now, yes, but that's something which we will upgrade.
Okay.
We'll go to a BMC, which
Right.
we will be selling. We have not yet started selling the air filters because we were more focused on the foreign bikes. So we do twin air filters, but for XPulse, we will be doing filters soon.
Okay. And anything else on the bike? You've got a lovely graphic kit that you're running.
Oh yeah, this makes the bike look
It
great.
stands out, yeah.
Yeah, so we work with Wrap Me Up. They're a great partner of ours. We everything in the store where you see all the prints and all the branding which is done is all done by Wrap Me Up. They're based in Pune. They are online. Even we sell their kits, and they have multiple different grades, right from starting from 4,000 to customized kit. So this one is custom. So you see the Math Skills FXR. This is a print of one of their jersey kits.
Right, yeah.
So Wrap Me Up took that and transformed it onto the bike. It's all laser cut and they came here, they did it in about 20 minutes.
Oh wow, only 20 minutes.
So everything is pre-cut
Right.
right for that particular body part of the bike.
Okay. And I also see that you're running these ODI full waffle grips on the bike.
Yeah, so this is full waffle because people generally talk about half waffle. So we have installed the full waffle for them to understand. So they come, they touch, they feel it.
Right.
And then there is always a half waffle which can be removed from the box and they
Yeah.
see what suits them. It runs with a bar end on the, again, an ODI bar end
Right.
on both sides. You want me to start it?
Yes, please. Yeah, it's a little loud. Should be fun on the trails though.
Yeah, it is. This is amazing. I mean, it's light. I have been using Himalayan, the old one. It's similar built. It has everything except the engine modifications. Somehow I don't really believe much on engine modifications. So just to keep the reliability up, it's just me. Nothing. I'm not saying it's wrong or right, but yeah. So that's also a cool bike. Very similar setup.
Yeah.
Just losing weight, keeping it nice and clean, using parts which are really the rider can take advantage of in trails. So yeah, and then for my touring, I think the Tiger 900 Rally Pro is the best.
Yeah, it's a lovely motorcycle. So I quite like the idea of specializing your motorcycle in whatever discipline of riding that you're doing, because that really elevates the game. So if you're going to do trails, might as well just have a motorcycle prepped for trails. If you're going to do touring, might as well have something which is really good at touring.
Good at touring,
because
yeah.
these things, they seldom mix well together.
Correct.
We are compromising too much on either end to,
Absolutely.
make one bike do it all.
Absolutely, and I think that's what I tell our customers also. I mean, the way it is, it's like playing a game. So if you're playing football, you need to have your football gear,
Yeah.
which is very different than cricket gear or the basketball or
Yeah.
whatever. So you can't really mix it and try to use something which works for both. It will
Yeah.
never. So similar with bikes and similar to the gears. So I think in our wardrobe today we have different gears or for different riding styles. So
Yeah.
riding style is our bikes. So
All right, Vikram, thank you so much for sharing details about
Thank
this
you.
motorcycle.
Thank
I
you.
quite like it. It's a minimalist build. You take the graphics of the bike and it just looks like a stock motorcycle. It's a sleeper build.
yes,
Beautiful looking bike. I'd love to try it on the trails the next time I'm here in Pune.
definitely you
Yeah.
should. And as we were talking, you should make a plan to be here. There is a great event which will happen, Pune Off-Road Expedition, and this has been happening for the last 10 years. You should come and you will love it.
Yeah, I'll do
You
that.
will love it,
I'll
and
do
you'll
that.
meet like I don't know 300-400
Wow.
off-roaders.
Wow. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Abhinav. This is Vikram.
Thank you.
I hope you had a great time. If you have any questions about the build or about the Mousse specifically, leave them in the comments section below and we will try and answer them. I'll get Vikram to answer these questions. All right.
Okay.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye-bye.